What is going on, guys? Happy Thursday. You know what that means. It's Thirsty Thursday. I'm awfully thirsty today. And I brought on a special guest for episode 2. It's my dad. He's going to be making his famous Pineapple Whip Margaritas. So without further ado.
Hey guys, like David said, it's Thirsty Thursday, and this drink is pretty popular in the household here. So I'm gonna put together a pineapple margarita, a couple of ingredients, and of course there's a lot of ways to make margaritas: over ice, blended, with fruit, no fruit. We have a nice juicy fresh pineapple here, and we are gonna make a pineapple margarita. We're gonna use organic tequila mix. Don't buy tequila mix with the alcohol in it already. You don't know what they're putting in it, and it's usually not good. So we are going to use some Dolce Vita tequila. We're going to use Blanco. They also make Añejo, and they make several other grades of tequila, Repo. We're just going to use Blanco today. Triple sec, or if you're feeling a little ritzy today, you can sub the triple sec with Grand Marnier and clear creme de coco. So that's the ingredients. Of course, our nice pineapple, and I'm going to cut this bad boy up right now. The middle of the pineapple is not edible and has to be removed. It's probably one of the easier ways to do it. And that gets disposed of. Usually cut them in about 1/2-inch chunks. So this recipe is going to be for 3 drinks. If you want to do 2 or 4 or 5, obviously just modify with the same ingredients. For 3 drinks, I'm using about 15 pieces, or about 1.5 cups of the fresh pineapple. Doesn't really matter what order you add the ingredients to the blender. I'm going to start with our pineapple. About 3 cups of ice. A little bit less, it won't be as thick. A little bit more, it'll be a little frothier. I'm doing 3 cups. Boom. Start with the tequila. We like them 2 shots per drink. 3 drinks, 6 shots. This tumbler is a 2 ounce, 1 ounce. I'm going to use the 2 ounce. And 1, 2, and 3. So the amount of the Grand Marnier and the creme de coco is half of whatever you did with the tequila. So I did 2 ounces of tequila per drink. So I'm going to do 3 ounces Grand Marnier and 3 ounces of the creme de coco. 1, 2, and 3. Margarita mix is 3 ounces per drink, so 9. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Time to blend. We are blended. And now, time to pour. Here we go. Frothy. I'm going to do a little pineapple wedge garnish. And unfortunately, the mini umbrella store Ozana Mini umbrellas, also a nice touch. And time to drink.
Man, I don't know about you, Dad. I am pretty damn thirsty.
I am thirsty as well.
Nice work.
Cheers.
And cheers to you guys.
That is
Ooh.
good. That is good.
Nice work.
Thank you.